Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best window-mounted hummingbird feeders on the market. If you're a nature enthusiast or simply love watching these beautiful creatures up close, you're in for a treat with the Gray Bunny Window Hummingbird Feeder. This feeder isn't just your average bird feeder. It's designed for ease of use and to attract hummingbirds right to your window. Let's jump right into what makes this feeder stand out. First off, the build quality. The Gray Bunny feeder is made from premium-grade hard plastic, ensuring durability and safety for your nectar. Unlike glass feeders, you don't have to worry about accidental drops or breakage. It features an angled flower nozzle that not only looks natural but also makes it easy for hummingbirds to feed. Each feeder holds 2.3 ounces of nectar, sealed tightly to prevent leaks yet easy to open for regular cleaning. Now, let's talk about the suction cup. This isn't your ordinary suction cup, it's designed with an extra strong locking mechanism. The 2.8-inch diameter cup provides a secure grip on your window, and the twist locking feature ensures it stays firmly in place. You can adjust the feeder's angle up to 180 degrees with the rotating arm, allowing for perfect positioning to observe these delightful birds from various angles. One of the things I love about this feeder is its practicality. It's smaller in size compared to others, which not only makes it easier to clean but also ensures that it doesn't obstruct your view. Cleaning is a breeze, simply unscrew the base for thorough maintenance. Plus, it's weather resistant, so you can leave it up year-round without worrying about damage from the elements. Whether you're a seasoned bird watcher or just starting out, this feeder is perfect for attracting not only hummingbirds but also orioles. It's a great addition to your backyard or even an apartment with a good view. Imagine the joy of seeing these vibrant birds up close, all from the comfort of your own home. In conclusion, the Gray Bunny Window Hummingbird Feeder combines durability, practicality, and the joy of nature into one beautifully designed product. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, it's sure to bring hours of enjoyment. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, happy bird watching!